Welcome back to my channel. You guys, thank you so much for giving me feedback about what kind of videos you want to see more of over here. I have been busy for the last little bit, involved in many home design projects, and I'm about to launch a series all about doing home design and decor on a budget. I don't know about you, but I love watching these amazing home design shows and seeing the beautiful before and afters, but it can be super frustrating because the budgets that they're working with are way out of my reach, and they're probably out of your reach sometimes too. It costs a lot of money in some places to do a renovation that the very same renovation costs a fraction of somewhere else. Check out Waco, Texas. It's been made famous by Chip and Joanna Gaines and their incredible style and all of the cool things that they have contributed to that state. But go online and look at what a house costs in Waco, Texas, and then compare that same price to what you could get in your neighborhood. Chances are, unless you live somewhere really similar to Waco, you cannot buy a house in your city for what you can get beautiful houses for in Waco. Just because you might be in a more expensive housing market and renovation costs might be more costly where you live, doesn't mean you can't have a beautiful space that you and your family can thoroughly enjoy. So what do we do when we have a small budget, but we still want to make our homes beautiful and functional? We're going to take a look at some specific projects that I have been involved in, and guys, I'm going to give you all the tips, all the tricks and things that I do to stretch $1. But by finding these smaller versions of the same classic subway tile, we were able to give the illusion of more space because we could fit more tile on this backsplash. Today we are in my home, and I'm so excited to show you what we did when we renovated our kitchen. Well, there you have the third floor loft space. I hope you enjoyed the tour today. For example, there's this 300 square foot basement apartment that we had to transform into a space that was functional for 2 people and their dog, and they had to be able to sleep and live and cook and eat and live in this 300 square foot apartment. Maybe you have an old attic that's a third floor space that nobody wants to use. Well, we've made one completely functional and transformed it into a loft space that the whole family loves spending time in. Many of us are working from home right now thanks to COVID, and a lot of us are working from our kitchen tables or our dining room tables. But guys, if you have a tiny space in your home, you could make a home office on a very small budget. In fact, I'm gonna walk you through my home office and see what we did to transform a very incomplete space to make it very functional and pretty to be in for under $1,000. I will share with you guys as much as I can in this video series. Now, I gotta tell you, in some of the cases, due to privacy reasons, I'm not able to actually share with you the total budget, but I will definitely compare it to something to give you an idea of what we spent. The total we spent is equivalent to a new couch. I'm even gonna share my favorite places for getting inexpensive home furniture and decor. I'm also gonna share with you how you can prioritize your home renovation project to figure out where you should put your money and where you might wanna save your money. Once this series is finished, I've got a couple other projects I can't wait to show you. One of them is a beautiful condo that when we started was an empty concrete shell, and we have finished it to be the most beautiful space overlooking their city. I'm also really excited to show you one of the biggest projects I've gotten to be a part of so far. We turned an old warehouse building into a modern church in our city, and I can't wait to show you the finished product. So guys, this is a home design and renovation series for the rest of us who have modest budgets and who have lives to live and money to spend not on decorating our homes. Stick around. I hope this next series is going to inspire you and give you tips and tricks all about making the home of your dreams within a limited budget.